This Century 21 Purdum-Epperson Incorporated property video is presented by Marilyn Pruitt. Growing pains with handyman skills. This home will check off all your boxes. Lots of space to spread out, and with a few renovations, you'll have a showplace at an affordable price. 3 nice size bedrooms on the upper level with a full bath, tiled floor and shower surround. The master has a half bath attached but has space to extend to make room for a master shower. There is a large 4th bedroom in the lower level, needs a closet but plenty of room to add. The den with outside access has plumbing already in the wall for a 3rd bath that still leaves space for a large home office. Yes, there is still a family room with game room also in the lower level. 2-car attached garage with elevated steel deck overlooking a beautifully landscaped backyard. Newer mechanicals and shingles complete the package. Let's look today. Interest rates are still historically low. For more information,